G'day lovelies, welcome back. Alrighty, satay chicken drumsticks. Tonight I'm using a blender, but you can also use a food processor. If you don't have either of them, you can grate your onion and crush your peanuts in a bag with a hammer or a rolling pin, and you should be able to get away with doing it that way, and then mix it all together. I'll write the recipe below as always. Alright, we're going to need a couple of brown onions. We need some oil, crunchy peanut butter, sweet chili sauce, light soy sauce, and some peanuts. We're going to need a kilo of chicken drumsticks and 1/3 cup of sour cream. First thing we do is peel and chop our onions. Okay, so I just slice them one way and then slice them through the middle. Now I'm going to put them into my blender, or you put them in your food processor, or you grate them into a bowl. Once we've done that, 1/4 cup of peanuts. Either throw them in your blender or processor, or crush them up and stick them in your bowl. Now we want to add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using olive oil, but you can use any oil that you have. Now we want to add 1/2 cup of crunchy peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, and 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Oh my god, it smells amazing already. Okay, now we want to blend it, process it, or stir it up. I just blended it on low for about 30 seconds. I had to shake the shit out of it a couple of times. Alright, I'm going to chuck it all into a medium saucepan. Now we want to grab out a pastry brush, put it in there and set it aside for a minute. Now we need to preheat our ovens at 180 degrees Celsius. Alrighty, I've got my kilo of chicken legs on my tray with my baking paper. Now I'm going to brush this all over them. So I'm going to brush it on this side. Make sure you're in view. Alright, and then I'm going to turn it over and then brush the other side. And I'm going to do that with all of them. Once we've coated them and our oven is up to temperature, bang them in there. Alrighty, it's 10 minutes later. We want to take them out, close your oven up really quick because you want to keep your oven hot. Now we want to turn them all over. Once we turn them all over, we now want to baste this side. Once we've basted them all over, back in the oven they go. Oh mate, 45 minutes later in my electric oven and they smell frigging awesome. Okay, now what we do is we turn our ovens off and we want to leave them sitting there for 10 more minutes just to cook through properly. Now while they're in there cooking through properly, we want to grab the rest of our satay mix in our saucepan. We want to get 1/3 cup of sour cream and put that in there. We want to put our stovetop on medium. Now we want to mix it through and then we want to sit it on our stovetop and bring it up to the boil. As soon as it starts to boil, we take it off and then it's ready to serve. Oh, this is so good. Now, you can put these on a plate and you can have them with your mashed potato and veggies. You can cook up some rice, pour some of the sauce on the rice and sit them on top. You can have them with chips and salad, or you can serve them the way I love to serve them, and that's on their own with the sauce, and they're brilliant when you're having a few drinks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Absolutely give these a crack. They're a total perler. Have an awesome night. Bye.